In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix space between words in Microsoft Word. If your document suddenly shows big, awkward gaps between words, especially across a line, the most common cause is paragraph justification. When text is fully justified, Word stretches the spaces between words so each line reaches from the left margin to the right. That can look tidy in newspapers, but in regular documents, it often creates distracting holes. The simplest, most reliable fix is to switch the alignment back to left-aligned text. First, highlight the text you want to correct. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the affected paragraph or section. If the spacing problem appears throughout the document, it's usually faster to select everything at once. A quick way to do that is to click anywhere in the document and use the Select All shortcut. If you only want to change a few paragraphs, double-click to select a word, triple-click to select a whole paragraph, or click in the margin to select a line. The key is to make sure the portion with the odd spacing is included in your selection so the fix applies exactly where you need it. Next, go to the Home tab. You'll find it on the ribbon at the top of Word. The Home tab is where Word groups essential formatting tools, including font settings and paragraph controls. Since alignment is a paragraph level setting, this is exactly where we need to be. If you don't see the ribbon, expand it so the paragraph group is visible. Now, click Align Left in the paragraph group. The icon looks like stacked horizontal lines aligned to the left. The moment you apply left alignment, Word stops forcing lines to stretch edge to edge, and the spaces between words return to a natural width. You should see the text snap back to an even, readable flow with a ragged right edge. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl+L while your text is highlighted to achieve the same result. If the spacing doesn't change, double-check that your selection includes the paragraphs you want to fix. Keep in mind, this solution targets spacing problems caused by justification. If the issue comes from extra spaces typed manually or unusual characters pasted from another source, this specific change won't alter those. That's all there is to it. Highlight the text, go to the Home tab, and align left, or use Ctrl+L. Your document should now look cleaner, more consistent, and easier to read.